loves, welcome back to Life with Jess. Today I'm super excited because we are creating summer outfits. So these are affordable and I'm going to show you how to accessorize them. I'm going to show you ways that you can style them. So yeah, I'm super excited. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to keep supporting me and my dreams. So let's get started. So the first fit is the one that I wore for the intro. Super cute. I got this from Shein. I don't really shop at Shein, but this dress honestly really impressed me. I'm gonna look at more styles that are similar to this because this is so cute. Like, this is more of my vibe. Honestly, I could wear things like this every single day, like with the ruffle. Oh, I don't know, it's just like super cute. I'm wearing this necklace to accessorize. I wear my accessories like either this or just a gold necklace. I like to keep my accessories gold, but if you like silver, keep your accessories silver. Do not ever mix and match both of them unless it just looks good. Sometimes they do look good. The way that I would style this dress is by wearing some shades. I don't know, I just think it looks very chic-y like this. I got this Gucci purse and just put it like this. I don't know, I think this is super like classy, chic-y, super gorgeous style. Let's model it. Let's model it. I think this is so cute. I think it's just like a girly casual dress that I can wear to the beach or to go shopping to the mall. The way that I would style this is by adding a cute bag. Look at this, how cute. And then like the pearl bracelet. I don't know, I think this dress is like super cute. It makes me feel so girly, super confident. I love it. I got this from Z Supply, so I will tag everything down below. This dress is like super comfortable and there's like so much air everywhere. There's like so much room to breathe for the summer because I know summer's super hot. I think this dress is perfect. Okay, I'm like absolutely in love with this shirt, which I have worn on my Instagram. So I would pair up this shirt with this cute skirt. So I'm gonna put it on so that y'all can see. And then like with the black skirt, I just think it's like so cute. I will totally pair these up with some long boots. Whether it's these, I have also worn like some black long ones. Use the same accessories. Like, as long as you keep accessorizing, it's just gonna look super cute, super fashion-y. And you could totally wear this like every single day of summer. I'll link everything down below. Cute. Oh my god, look at this, how cute. I love the pattern. Skirt is such like beautiful material. It's like that knitwear. I think you could find this at Target. I thrifted it, so I'm not sure where it's from. I also thrifted the shirt Malibu, but I think you can find something like this at Forever 21 or H&M. This outfit is super cute and colorful. I'm trying to give y'all like a few options, and then I paired this up with this necklace from H&M plus all my rings. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that y'all loved all the fits. I am in love with every single fit that I wore. I've actually posted all of these fits on my Instagram, so go check that out. I will be linking down every single product that I wore in this video down below so that y'all can go shop or just get some inspiration and shop for something similar. Remember that you're beautiful and own what you wear. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to keep supporting me and my dreams. I will see you on my next video. Bye, loves.